Give yourself 6 months, just 6 months. Take care of your body, mind, and soul. Give yourself 6 months to develop a routine of practicing radical self care and self love, guided by Islamic principles. Delete the app, block the number, wake up early for Tahajjud prayer, get dressed up modestly and beautifully, even though you are not going anywhere. Eat healthy, halal, and tayyib food. Journal your gratitude to Allah. Have spa days with halal and natural products. And engage in physical exercise while being mindful of modesty and Islamic values. This is your only life, and it is a gift from Allah. Strive to love and enjoy every aspect of it, seeking His pleasure in all that you do. Do not wait any longer. Be the person you have always wanted to be, aligning your actions with the teaching of Islam. This time, with the help of Allah, you will change. You will adhere to these habits, and you will see the blessings and result in both this life and the hereafter. I have faith in you, and may Allah bless and guide you on this journey. Ameen.